You can delete things individually, but you can also delete anything in bulk all at once on your iPhone, from contacts to photos, messages, etc. I'm going to show you some simple tricks to be able to delete all of that directly on your iPhone. So let's jump right in. First up, let's hop into the Photos app, and I'll show you a trick in the Photos app to be able to select and delete all of them. Tap on Select at the top right, and now you'll be able to see I can choose to tap on some photos, but it won't let me choose all of them. There is no one button that says Select All. However, I can use a trick to be able to do that. What I'm going to do is use my finger to start selecting them. So I'm going to unselect these. I'm going to use this finger to start at the bottom right and drag the finger over to start selecting them. So you can see as I'm dragging my finger, you can see that little check mark. And as I bring my finger up, again, it starts selecting all of the photos on that row. Now I'm going to use my other finger and tap at the top of my iPhone. You can see at the very top here, I'm going to tap. And what it will do is it will zoom to the top of the entire scrolled page. And again, I have selected all of them because I've kept my left hand finger on the iPhone screen at the entire time. Now you can see 17,718 items selected. All I need to do is hit that trash can icon and it will delete out all of those photos at once. Now let's hop out of here and I'll show you another trick to be able to do that. Let's say for your contacts to delete all those. Tap on the Phone app and then tap on Contacts here. Now if you wanted to delete a contact, you can press and hold on it and then just hit delete. However, there's no option on here that says select and then allows you to select multiple ones. It works a little bit different for contacts. What you're going to do is use two fingers to be able to select those. So if I take one finger and I drag down, it just kind of swipes. However, if I take two fingers and I drag it down, you can see it starts to select all of these. And I can make use of also the trick that I just showed you by going to the bottom here. And I'm going to take my two fingers and start from the bottom, start swiping up. And then again, my left hand, I'm going to tap at the top. And you'll be able to see it swipes all the way up or scrolls all the way up while I'm selecting with the other hand. Now, all I need to do is press and hold. And you can see it says delete 99 contacts. It basically combines all of those and then bulk deletes those contacts. Let's walk through an example in the Messages app. So again, I'm going to scroll to the bottom here so I can make use of that same trick. So go to the bottom, tap on Edit at the top left, and tap on Select Messages. Now, on here, I'm going to take my finger and start selecting them with two fingers. So again, start selecting with two fingers. And in the other hand, I'm going to tap at the top. You'll be able to see it then scrolls to the very top. And now I have selected every single message in here. I can tap on the trash can icon to delete all of those messages if I wanted to, or I can choose unread if I wanted to as well. Again, you can use this on all sorts of things. You can use this in messages, emails, phone, all of that. You'll be able to select all of those items and bulk delete them if you wanted to. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.